Alright, quick video here today on an ATV tool holder. I've done ATV tool holders before, but this one I really like. This is just a section of PVC. Pay no attention to this black paint. I just painted it with black paint, the whole unit, to protect it from the elements. And it's just put on with 2 pipe clamps right to the rack. I got rubber grips in between, so there's no shaking or vibration. Pipe clamps just bolted right through the PVC. There's no bottom, it's just a straight tube. And you can use different size tubes and lengths for whatever particular tool you want to be transporting. And this particular one is a hammer, and there it is. And it won't shake or vibrate out of there. You'd literally have to flip the machine to get that out of there. It's nice and snug, it's not going anywhere. Give you a good close up there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.